Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an affiliate marketing website. I'm going to take you from the beginning all the way to a successful affiliate marketing website, showing you every step of the process, how to get the basics of this, how to figure out which domain that you want to use, how to name it, and then going all the way to actually building out the sites, the specifics of it, putting in different plugins to really streamline your affiliate marketing website. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video here today. Just a couple of things to mention before we get into the video. This is going to be a bit longer. I'm sure there's distractions. You could go scroll to TikToks right now if you wanted to, but I think this video really will provide a substantial amount of value. We don't have a course here to sell you on affiliate marketing. This is all free. You can learn everything about affiliate marketing and how to do this successfully for absolutely free. And we've been making money, thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing, with these methods I'm about to show you. We've been doing this for years, almost 10 years now with affiliate marketing. So I've learned a lot over this time. I'm going to share some of those pointers with you throughout this video as I show you how to build this website. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Feel free to skip around throughout the video. I will leave some timestamps down below as well, so that might be helpful, as well as some resources and some notes in the description below in this video. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 1 million subscribers. We're almost there, so we really would appreciate that. But let's go ahead and get started with it right now. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you already understand what affiliate marketing is. You're basically just marketing products for other businesses, and they're giving you a commission or like a percentage of that sale for getting them new customers, right? And so one of the best ways to do affiliate marketing is to have a website. Now, there are websites out there that are making hundreds of millions of dollars per year with affiliate marketing. The one that I always use as an example is something like NerdWallet or Bankrate, for example, or the Penny Hoarder is another one. And these are affiliate marketing websites that are making quite literally tens of millions, or in some cases, hundreds of millions of dollars by just creating blog articles that people will search. They'll find them on Google, or maybe they'll find those blog articles from Instagram, or even like from watching a YouTube video or a TikTok. And then they end up reading that article and then purchasing things through those affiliate links that are embedded inside of those affiliate articles, right? So here's, talking about Cash App and all these different things. I don't know if they actually have an affiliate link in this specific article, but I'm just giving some examples here. Okay, let's talk about how to actually build your site. This is why you came here for this video. So the first thing we have to do is figure out where to build our website as an affiliate marketer. Now, there are a lot of options for building a website. You've probably heard of some, like you might think of Squarespace or of Wix or of WordPress. You maybe have heard of that. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion right here. Building on Squarespace, it's pretty easy, but it's gotten really expensive in the past few years. We used to recommend people build websites on Squarespace, but now it's just like, it's too expensive to get started with that. And so that's why I suggest building a site using WordPress that is built with Hostinger. So I'll explain all this and show you exactly how to sign up. But basically, Hostinger, you can build a website and have this running for just a few dollars a month. And so this is a much better price than you're going to get anywhere else. And it's also a higher quality website for your affiliate brand. So the beauty of this is that, you're spending a few dollars per month for a website. That's kind of the only cost associated with affiliate marketing. You might have some other like software that you might use. If you want to use like some SEO tools to rank your blog articles on Google, you might pay a little bit of money for that. But for the most part, affiliate marketing is such a great business because you don't have to spend a lot of money to get started. Like, you really don't. It's such a minimal upfront cost to it. I will leave a link to Hostinger down below in the description, or you can just go to santrelmedia.com/Hostinger, and I'll just put that right here so you can type that in so you can follow along in this tutorial as I build an example website, so you can build one alongside me here, because I do understand it can be kind of confusing when you're trying to build out your site. Right now, we're coming up on Black Friday, so they have a special deal. I don't know if this deal is going to be around when you're watching this video, so just click that link down below and you'll find the specifics on what the pricing is right now. But it should come out to like $3 or $4 a month at the most in a lot of cases, okay? So I'm going to click claim deal. I also got a special coupon code for you guys if you want to use the coupon code Santrel, or I believe it's Santrel10, then you can get 10% off on your hosting order when you use that coupon code. So we have 3 different options for our website with Hostinger. We can get the premium plan, the business plan, or the cloud startup plan. Now, I really would recommend the business plan. The premium plan can work, but I do think you get quite a few other features with the business plan for not much more money here. So, I mean, you're looking at an extra $1 per month right now during this Black Friday sale. And so with that, you're getting free CDN, you're getting a free email with that, you're getting 100 websites you could have on this. So you could literally be running 100 different affiliate websites for a few dollars a month. This is why we really like Hostinger. And the quality is great. Like, we run our website using Hostinger. So I'm going to go with the business plan here. We also get things like a free domain for the first year when we sign up for Hostinger. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to click on choose plan. All right. And then we have a couple of different options for the length that we would like our plan to be. So I think that the 48-month plan is absolutely going to be the best option here, because with that, we're locking in a low rate for 4 years. That gives us a lot of time to get our site off the ground, get it up and running, and then we don't have to worry about any expenses for the next 4 years on it. Now, you can go lower, like if you want to go 12 months, but you're going to see that the price goes up per month quite a bit. So, really, I think it's going to be worth it to do the 48-month plan on this, and then we can continue on here. Now, I do have a coupon code for you. So if you type in that coupon code Santrel and click apply, you are going to save some money on that. So now with my coupon code that I just gave you, it comes out to like $3.14 a month. That's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and just click continue here, and then I'll show you how to build out this site. Okay, so I am creating an account with Hostinger, and it's just going to take a minute to load here. And now I'm going to have to enter in some of my billing information, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I just submitted my payment, and now it's going to take us through a series of questions to help us figure out what type of site we want, and it's going to try to help build the site for you. Now, we're going to have some different routes we can take here, so I want you to pay attention closely as we go through this, because I don't want to lose you here and then get confused on where you are. Okay, so who's this website for? It's for myself or for my business. I'm going to click on next. Also, you can skip through this if you want to, but I really do recommend this. Do you want to create a new website, or do you want to migrate a website? So if you already have a website on like Wix, or you already have a website hosted on like Bluehost or something, or on Squarespace, you can migrate that site over to Hostinger. They are really great with helping you to do that. So that's why I really do love them. But we're going to create a new website from scratch, and then we're going to go and click on next. Okay, so now we have 2 different options for how to build our website. This is a very important step here. So we can either use WordPress and basically custom build this site ourselves, or we can use the Hostinger website builder. Now, they launched this Hostinger website builder at least a year or 2 ago, and it's really pretty great. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the Hostinger website builder. This basically, they use AI where you will describe your website, what you're looking for, and then the Hostinger website builder will create it for you. And then from there, you can just fill things in, you can change things up, but it helps get a basic setup for your website so you don't have to do really much heavy lifting. And I would say that overall, if you're using traditional WordPress and you're building this from scratch, you don't have to code, but it's probably going to take you all day at least to get a decent looking website. Whereas the Hostinger website builder, you can probably get a pretty good looking website in more like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So there's a big difference there. Both are great. We do have tutorials showing you how to do the full WordPress. So, I'll leave a link to that below if you want to watch that. But the Hostinger website builder is going to really help us out a lot to get the site set up. So click on this here, Hostinger website builder. It's going to save you a lot of time. Okay, so now we're picking a domain name for our website. Now, the main pointer that I'm going to give you here is that you want your domain name to be as short as possible. So the domain name is what someone's going to type into their browser in order to find you. So for this example, I'm just going to say that I really want to make an affiliate brand around aquariums and raising fish as pets and creating that ecosystem. I used to have an aquarium when I was little, and I kind of want one again. And so I think it's an interesting topic. There's a lot of people who love aquariums, and I think we can build a whole affiliate brand around that. So for our domain name, let's do aquarium guys and see what comes up there. Now, .com is going to be still probably the best option. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to go with .net. You can also use .org if you are a nonprofit. I would just be careful like using some of these really long domain names like aquariumguys.tech or .click. Some of them can just look kind of tacky, so I would be careful with it. I would stick with either .com, .net, or .org, although .org is really for nonprofits. Now .io can also be pretty good. That's like kind of like a tech vibe to it, but I'm going to go with .net just for the purpose of this video. The whole point on this is that you want to make sure that your domain name is nice and short. It would be really foolish to create a domain where it's like aquarium guys are cool something.com and it ends up being this long. Nobody can remember what it is. They're not gonna be able to find it. It looks kind of weird. It looks like malicious or like spam, and people don't even want to click on it because it just looks too long. So having a shorter domain name really does help in a lot of instances. So I would recommend keeping that short. So aquariumguys.net looks pretty clean. I wish it was .com, but you know, for the sake of this video, I'll leave it like that just to show you the important part, which is actually building your website. So now we're going to register our domain for aquariumguys.net. I'm just going to fill this out here. I'm going to click on next step. I'm going to enter my contact details. Okay, so now I am registering my domain. This could take a little bit of time. So, you know, it's probably going to take about a minute. So let's just fast forward here. All right. And so now Hostinger AI is going to help build our website. So what we have to do here is enter in our brand name. So Aquarium Guys. And we just have to describe our website. What are we looking to do for this website? Now, I can fill this out, or I can just go over to ChatGPT and ask it to help me create a description for this website. So let me do that now. All right, so I just had ChatGPT make a quick description of our affiliate website because I was too lazy to do that. And then I'm just gonna paste that in here. We can also go to personalization settings and, you know, say like what we want our color palette to be. So maybe I want our color palette to be blue because it's, you know, think about fish, right? And maybe that looks pretty good for there. We can also have it just surprise me there, and we can add an online store to our site as well if we would like that. We don't need that though because this is an affiliate website, so I don't really want that there. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave that there because I can use the online store as an affiliate connection to Amazon products. I'll show you how to do that. All right, so Aquarium Guys, I filled out this description here, and now all I have to do is click on create a website, and Hostinger AI is going to take the reins here. This could take some time, you know, maybe 5 minutes at the most, and they're building it out for us. Now, once Hostinger builds out this site for us, we're going to be able to customize this exactly how we want. They're just kind of giving us like an example or like the basics of it so that we can now change it up. Like, this is pretty cool. They just made all this for us for this site. We have our blog, we have our guides that people can go through, right? And I can change all of this. It's super easy to customize. So I will show you how to do that right now. Okay, so for building out your website, here's a couple of things that I would recommend. First of all, I think it's important to get out at least at a minimum 10 to 20 different blog articles so that when someone does come onto your site, they can go and they can find other resources. And so the easiest way to do this is to use AI to help us to create these articles. Now, back even just a few years ago, if you watched a video that I made on this, I would tell you to sit down and just write these articles yourself. And this is what we used to do. And this takes a lot of time. And this is why things with affiliate marketing are moving a lot faster. You can build this today with the help of AI rather than having to do it all yourself. Okay, so let's say that we want to change some of these things. Maybe we don't want this Nemo looking goldfish on our homepage here as a video. So all we have to do is we can click on it. We can click on edit section, and then we can change this. Maybe we don't want the video. We can replace the video. We could choose something else, or we can decide that, you know, maybe we just want an image. And maybe that'd be a lot simpler. So we can replace that image. And they even have free images here for us. So we can just type in fish and see what comes up. And so we have some other options here for our aquarium. Maybe we actually want this to be more about koi fish, which are really cool fish, right? So let's say that this one looks pretty cool, and I can just add this to the page. And so there we go. That was really easy, and they already had the photos there for us. We can also, you know, include our own photos as well. If we would like to, we can just upload that as an image here by just clicking upload files from your computer. They also have AI images available with Hostinger. Another reason why I love this website builder, because it makes it that much easier. This is all new compared to just a couple of years ago. And so we can change the wording here by just clicking on it. We can double click, and then we can change this to maybe the #1 aquarium resource. And then we can change some of the font there, and we can change this button. Maybe we don't want it to be shop, but we can have it say something else like learn more, right? And we can change the web address on this as well. We can change the style. We can change the animation and the color of it as well. So it's really easy to do all of this, as you can see here. Now we can go through and just continue to edit this. We can, swap out these pictures. We can generate a new image if we want, maybe a koi fish eating food, and let's just see what it can create from that. See what it comes up with here. It's going to take about 15 to 20 seconds to generate some images for us. Maybe I really like this one. It looks pretty cool, and I can just import that right there. And I can have aquarium essentials. We can change this from shop to maybe something else, learn more or free guide or like buy now, right? So we can change that if we would like to. And maybe I just want to totally delete this section here because it's kind of like shopping, and maybe the AI builder just went too hard on it. And so I can just delete that entire section if I would like to. And you can see just how quickly, like I'm doing this in like 5 minutes here, but you can see how quickly all of this comes together for us for our website. So that's how you edit the basics on the homepage. If you go to the upper left hand side, I want to show you some of these features here. So we have this option to add an element. So if you click on this, you can add text, you can add shapes or a map or your Instagram feed, which is really cool. You can connect that there. So let's say that we wanted to put our Instagram feed as a section below this one. We just click on add element. We click on Instagram feed, and we can put our feed right inside of there by just connecting our Instagram account to our website. So I'm going to just go and delete that now. I just want to show that as an example. Other things we can do as well, we can add a subscribe button. So maybe you want to capture people's email to read your newsletter. You can do that very easily as well, and just having it right here to capture that, and we can center it very easily by just dragging and dropping it. We can create some space there if we want some space for it to have, right? So we can just pull that down. We can put that right there. We can say, subscribe to our email newsletter so you can learn more about how to really create the best aquarium out there, right? So these are all the different things we can have. We can even put in an AI assistant that Hostinger helps us out with. So when someone looks up or they use the AI assistant, that pops up on the right-hand side, and we can just preview this here on how it would show up. See here on the bottom right, if people click on this and they say, I'm really trying to figure out like what type of aquarium size, or like, should I get a 5-gallon or a 10-gallon aquarium for my fish? And then the AI assistant will help to direct to your specific blog articles that outline all the things or questions that they might have. So this is really awesome. And once again, another thing that you used to have to at least pay for to have like a chatbot on your website, but now it's totally free when you use the Hostinger builder. So you can see just how the site's already coming together here just from doing a couple of things. Now you also, I want to recommend going and clicking on the upper right corner here. You'll see the desktop and then also the mobile option. You want to make sure that your site is optimized for mobile. A lot of people are going onto websites on their phone, not on their computer. So don't just do desktop. Make sure that your site looks good on mobile as well. So just toggle back and forth from time to time to make sure that it looks good. Now I'm going to go back to editor here, and we're going to continue on. I want to show you some of these other things you can do. Let's talk about pages and navigation. So you see these things up here at the top. We have home, we have shop, we have guides, we have blogs, and then we have the store that the AI builder made for us as well. And so we can move these around. We can say, maybe I want to delete the shop. I don't want the shopping feature on my affiliate website, so I can just easily click on delete right there, and it would completely get rid of that there. Now, maybe we want to add a page here. Maybe we want an about page. We can easily put that in there, or maybe a contact page would be something important for like affiliate brand deals. You might want that. So let's put one right here, and we can just add that as a contact page, click save. And now we have a full contact page that we can go through and we can edit. So maybe I want it to be a man hanging out with 100 different aquariums that are full of fish, and we can have that as our contact us image. So maybe this is a good one here, and we can just put that in there, and we can put in our information. We can put if we have a physical location. We don't, so I don't want people showing up to my house, so I'm going to just delete that there. And yeah, so that's a contact page. Let's go back up here on the upper left hand side. So we can see pages and navigation. If we want to maybe reorder these, we want to put our blog before our guides. All we have to do here is just click and drag this above guides. And there we go. We just reorganize that so blog shows up before guides. Okay, that's the basics of the different pages. Now let's talk about website styles. Maybe we want to change the font. Maybe we want to change the buttons. We can do all of that pretty easily on here. So if we want to change the entire font, we can do that. A lot of that is pretty straightforward. If we want to change the style of the buttons, we can do that very easily as well right here. And then also we have animations. So when someone enters onto a new page, how do all of the photos and the text actually show up? So if we click on fade, you can see it fades in, slide, it slides up, and scale, it kind of just zooms up like that. I actually really like scale. I think it looks pretty clean. So I'm going to use scale here as one of the options. Now, don't forget also to go up and click on save from time to time. They do have autosave on, but I still would just recommend making sure, just in case something happens, you don't want to lose your site. The other option here is we have AI tools. So they have an AI writer, they have an AI image generator for us, they have an AI blog generator for us. Now, these are all pretty great tools, but I still would recommend another tool to really up your game on creating your blog articles. So let's go ahead and let's make our blog articles here. I want to make at least 10 to 20 different articles. I'm going to utilize multiple things here. So I'm going to use Koala AI to write articles that will help set up for embedding affiliate links into these articles, but also I'm going to use ChatGPT just to help give me some article ideas for this website. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. All right, so I typed in a really basic description here for ChatGPT. I just said, come up with 50 different blog article ideas for our affiliate marketing website called Aquarium Guys. We teach people how to raise fish and maintain aquariums. So I'm just going to click enter there. And now ChatGPT is going to give us different blog article ideas. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to go over to Koala AI and we're going to have Koala actually hash out these ideas and make them into articles, right? So here's a perfect one right here. Beginner's Guide to Starting Your First Aquarium, right? So I can just copy that and then I can go over to Koala AI. I will leave a link to Koala down below in the description here. So I'm going to create an account on Koala. Let's just look at the pricing here. It's really affordable for the amount of time that this is going to save you. It's definitely going to be worth it. So we have the Essentials plan, the Starter plan, or the Professional plan, where we can have 12 or 1.2 million words per year written with this article writer. I think it's absolutely worth it. It's an investment that I think everyone should really consider when they are creating their affiliate site, just based on the amount of time that it's going to save us. Now, we also have the Boost, the Growth, and the Elite plan, where we're getting 12 million words per year. This is if you're really taking it seriously and you're trying to pump out thousands of articles using AI. Right now, I'm just going to go with the Professional plan because with this, I'm getting AI-powered editing, I'm getting AI models, and I have just a lot more features available inside of there with the Professional plan. But even just with the Essential plan, you're getting some of the basics here, like it's using GPT 4.0 and Claude 3.5, and you're getting SEO optimization, which is super important. If you just have ChatGPT write a blog article for you, it's not going to be nearly as good as Koala, because Koala is all about creating blog articles that will rank on Google for search engine optimization and look like they're written by humans. So it's very important here to use something like this. So let me just sign up for it here and I'll show you how to use it. So let me do that now. Okay, so we are now inside of our Koala writer. And so what we're going to do here is we can make saved presets, but let's just call this project. We're going to call this our aquarium, and then I'm just going to click on create there. Okay, so this is going to be our project name. We can use different models here for the writer. So we can use GPT 4.0 Mini, we can use GPT 4.0, we can use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And so I actually really like Claude. A lot of people use GPT, but I'm going to go with Claude here. It doesn't really matter which one you use. You're going to notice some slight differences. And then this is going to be a blog post. Okay, and then for the target keyword, I'm just using the first one here, right, which is Beginner's Guide to Starting Your First Aquarium. And I'm just going to paste that right there. And then we have SEO optimization. So we can manually do this if we wanted to do something very specific, talking about specific related keywords like koi fish, for example. We could do that, or we could just have the default option selected as well, which I'm going to let Koala take care of. And then automatic internal linking. So we have this option as well. This is really helpful. And then article length. How long do we want this to be? Now, I would recommend having articles somewhere between 950 and 1870 words. It's up to you. It depends depends on the type. So for this one, for example, this is going to be a longer one because it's a full guide on how to start your first aquarium. So for this one, we're going to do it a bit longer. I'm going to have this 1350 to 1870 words. It's going to be SEO optimized. We can choose the different style. So it can be formal, it can be casual, it can be humorous. This is just really awesome to have all of these things available to us. Obviously, the language, the country in which the article is going to be targeting, and then the point of view. Third person is going to be the best option for this for a guide. Okay, and so once I have all those parameters set, all I have to do is click create article, and Koala is going to create this article for us. Okay, so what we've done is we've used Koala to create an article for us. We included images in there, so these are AI generated images for our article. It looks really solid as a beginner's guide to creating your first aquarium. So all we have to do now is just click on copy, and then we go back to our website, to our blog, and we can start to add these blog posts in here. So we can either just add them to these existing posts here, or we can actually just click on add section, and we can add a blog section here for all of our articles. So let's say that we like this layout right here, and we want to just add more in there. So we can do that very easily, and it's going to help us create new articles. And then what we want to do here is just click on edit post. And now I'm just going to edit this entire blog post. So for this section here, I'm just going to delete that photo. I am going to change some of this text here. I'm going to move this up. I'm going to move it over. I'm going to make it wider like that. And now I'm going to just simply edit that text there, delete that, go back to our article that was just written, click on copy, go back here, and just paste it. So there is our first article. It's working on loading those images for us. It could take a little bit of time. You can also manually post those images in there as well, or if you want to download it and then upload it into there, that could work a little bit better as well. And then we can change up the title here for this section, edit the blog header, actually change some of the wording on here to make sure that it looks properly, right? So we can just change the blog title here, paste that in there. And we can change the description, and we can make sure that we have the domain properly set up, and then just click on save. And then all we have to do from here is just basically rinse and repeat. So I'm going to click on save, but then we just go back to ChatGPT. We go to our second article. We copy this, we go back to Koala, and then we just go and we create a new article here on Koala. We, do the same thing, Claude 3.5 or whichever one you want to use, our target keyword, we paste that in there, and then we just rinse and repeat, and we do this for at least 10 to 20 different articles is what I would recommend for the first week. And then finding some way to maintain that where you're putting out about one article per day is a good way to start for the first few months. And then trying to rank for specific keywords on Google. Now, how do you actually find keywords to rank for on Google? That's a whole nother video. I have a video on that where I show you how to do that. But one of the best ways to do that is to literally just go onto Google and search for things. So using Google here and seeing what pops up as a suggested search is really useful for finding blog article ideas as well, if you want to do things outside of ChatGPT for these article ideas. So going back to our website, this is going to be the basics of it. Whenever you are ready to launch your site, all you have to do is go to the upper right corner and click on go live. And so we can go live now, and our site is up and live, aquariumguys.net. Let's view the site right here, see how it looks. And we can, of course, go back and change anything that we want to at any point with our site. Oh, and one other thing I forgot to mention in this video is that you do have to make sure that you verify your email address in order for your site to actually be able to go live. So that's just something important that you're going to want to do for that. So just go into your email, click on verify so that your site actually goes live. So let's go back to our site here to make sure that it went live. I'm going to click on refresh. And now our site is live. So here's our blog. It's looking pretty good. This is something that just took me like 20 minutes. If I spend all day on this, it can really look high quality. And this is what I recommend you do as well. Now, remember, with affiliate marketing, it's not all just about creating a blog. You need to create a game plan for other platforms and other outlets to get people to your website. Now, Google search trends are going up. People are searching more on Google every single year, but it's getting harder to rank on Google as well. And so it's important to not only just rely on search engine optimization on Google, but also to maybe create a TikTok account or an Instagram account to funnel viewers to your website. So a great example of this would be to create TikToks about aquariums. You don't even have to be on them. You can use AI video generators like VideoGen to create those TikToks for you, showing people how to, make the best aquariums or some aquarium tips funneling them to your blog or funneling them to your affiliate links for your affiliate marketing journey. Now, when you are writing these articles as well, what I would recommend doing, and this is a very important thing that I didn't mention yet in this video, is just embedding your affiliate links inside of these blog articles, okay? And so when we're talking about essential equipment and supplies, what you can do here is just hyperlink some of these. So if we click on edit text and we're talking about some of the essential equipment and supplies for a filter, right? We can link to a filter by just, adding a link right here, and we can put a web address here just like that, and we can enter in our affiliate link for a filter for an aquarium. So this is exactly how I would recommend doing affiliate marketing. It's very subtle, but you just include it inside of your articles wherever it seems fit, whenever there is a product that you want to include in your articles. Now, as much as we can lean on AI for generating articles, you still should read them and find ways that you can incorporate and include affiliate links inside of those. I would recommend having at least 3 to 5 different affiliate links embedded throughout every article that you are writing and posting on your site. This is going to be how you're going to make money on this site as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so like fish food, for example, we can link to fish food on Amazon. If you have an Amazon Associates account, which we have a full video on Amazon affiliate marketing, you can link to that right here for fish food, and you can just put your custom Amazon affiliate link right there and make money whenever someone clicks on that and then buys something on Amazon within the next 24 hours. So if you want to learn about some of the best affiliate programs, we have videos on that as well. I would suggest one of the basic ones is just using Amazon Associates, which is pretty much any product that's sold on Amazon, you can be an affiliate marketer for, and you can embed it into your blog articles. So that's one that I would recommend. Other affiliate programs, really just go onto any website and go to the bottom of their page, and you'll find an affiliate page to become an affiliate for those different companies. So for example, like let's say you are at PetSmart and you want to, sell a specific product that is being sold on PetSmart, they probably have an affiliate program somewhere. So just go onto Google and let's say like fish or aquarium affiliate programs, and we can find some right here. Here's like the Glass Aqua affiliate program. This is for some of their different things that they're selling on here, right? And so you can become an affiliate for them. So that's just one example there, but just, Google is your friend when you're trying to find different affiliate programs for your specific niche. So that's just a tip that I wanted to leave there for you. So if you have any questions, if you have any issues when you're going through this process of creating your affiliate website, feel free to leave the comments down below in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you. If I don't respond to you there, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll try to help you out there as well. I can't promise that I'm going to respond to everyone. I do my best. Sometimes I get a lot of messages and it's hard, but I still want to help you out as much as possible on your affiliate marketing journey. Just remember, you're not going to make $1 million in the next week. It's going to take time. I would set a low goal for yourself of maybe say you want to make $500 a month from your affiliate marketing journey in the next 6 months, right? And then eventually build up from there. It takes years. For us, it took 10 years, but we're still making more money every single year from affiliate marketing because we learn a lot about it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found some value in it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see everybody sometime in a future video.